Hey guys, what's going on? I got a pretty cool unboxing video for you today. Ticwell sent us in this vacuum. They must have saw that we had a lot of pets on the channel. With 4 cats and a couple dogs. There can be some pet hair laying around on the floor. So what this is a 3-in-1 vacuum. It vacuums like hardwood surfaces. It will wash the hardwood surface and then it will dry the hardwood surface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing video to show you what's included in the box if you decide to order their product. And when the video is over, check out the description of the video because we'll put a link to their website in the description of this video, so you can shoot over to the Ticwell website and check out the Ticwell whale. So this is a rechargeable vacuum, and it comes with like a charging port and stuff like that. And let's show you that. Let me take it out of the box. Should be able to open it with a utility knife. So when you open the box, yep, it's a user's manual. So that's your user's manual, and this tells you a little bit about the vacuum as well. There's a handle for the vacuum. And this is like a little cleaning brush. And here's a power cord. Here's the base. And here is the vacuum assembly itself. It's all packaged. This is what it looks like. And this looks like it's the rechargeable battery, I believe. There's a charger. There's a roller. And that's about it that comes in the box. So we're going to put this together and show you what's involved with that. Okay, so here's everything that's included in the box. Here's the main vacuum. Here's the handle. Here's the docking station that also charges it. Here is the battery. Here's the battery charger. And there's a couple of manuals in here that are used as manuals. So let's put this thing together and we can see how easy it is to assemble. Also, it came with a spare roller that goes up and under here. So if that wears out, they do give you a spare. And there's also a cleaning brush right here that comes with it. That's all you need to do is to take the handle and insert it into the top. And you'll hear a little click, give it a tug, and it'll be into place. You don't need any tools to bolt it down, it just kind of snaps right in. Soon you're going to take your battery and you're going to slide that into place. Make sure it's going the right way. There are a couple of like little pins on the bottom to charge. So make sure they're lined up. And you're going to drop that in. Make sure it clicks, close the cover. So for the charging stand, you're gonna take the plug assembly and you're gonna press it in. It only goes in one way. So once you have this in, your vacuum kind of sits like this and kind of hangs out like that. Then your power cord plugs right into the side like this. And slips right in. And that's about it. There weren't any special tools needed for assembly. So that's pretty much it. You didn't need any tools to assemble this. It was really easy to put together. So what I'm going to do now is going to plug this into the wall and charge it. It should take about 4 hours. There's a red light on the back, and when it's fully charged, the light will go out to let you know that the vacuum has the full charge on it, and you can begin to use it. Stay tuned for our next video where we actually demo the product, show you how it works, and we kind of walk it through its paces. We'll tell you all about it. Thanks for watching, guys.